When you're using your digital whiteboard and you want to see your teacher's whiteboard, you just click right up here on this green button and you can see what they are writing. Right now, they don't have anything, but I'm going to check back in a minute and see what she has written. So I can see that my teacher is writing a math problem that so far has 3 plus 3. So I'm going to scroll on down to my whiteboard and I have some tools. I have a normal marker pencil tool that I can use to write. And I also have a shapes tool in case I want to demonstrate it with shapes. So I'm going to put 3 circles and I have to click on the shape each time I want to use it. Going back to the marker to write my plus sign. And now I'm going to use squares. So 3 squares plus 3 circles. You also have the option to use text. So I'm going to use text for my answer. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. You can use your digital whiteboard. Your teacher can see everything, and you can still look at your teacher's screen.